Nothing feels worse for a client than when you forget all about their hair goals and their journey. G'day there, I'm Michelle Tanner and welcome to Authentic Boss series, where I share tips, tricks and insights how to help you be the leader your salon deserves. And today I'm talking about consultation, one of the most underrated but most powerful skill sets of our industry. Let me show you how I keep it simple but impactful. And actually, I think Sadie's due right about now. Hi Sadie, it's so great to see you. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Perfect, thank you. When you're ready, you can take a seat just here. I'm going to get you some welcome tea and I'll be back in just a second.
Super, thanks.
Okay, so today we have ginger and lemon as our welcome tea, so just enjoy that. I'll be with you in just a second. My first tip is don't just drag them into the salon. They've probably been a little bit stressed, hustling to find a car park. Give them always a moment to sit at a welcome area first, even if you're ready for them. It really sets the right tone for the appointment to come. So Sadie, I'm dying to ask you, because last time you told me you were experiencing a drier scalp, so we did the jelly mask here in the salon and you went home with the hydrate range. How is it feeling today? That's my next tip. Nothing feels worse for a client than when you forget all about their hair goals and their journey. Make sure you make notes, make sure you read them, and make sure at the earliest opportunity you let your client know that you remember them. Your client wants to feel seen and feel heard and part of a journey, and that you are part of their journey every step of the way. Okay, so I want to feel how your hair's going and assess it. May I open your hair? That's my next tip. You need to really connect with the client's hair, and that means opening up their hair and feeling it, making sure you know the density, the texture, the porosity. If you have any chance of picking the right services, the right products, you gotta get your hands in there. And most importantly, always ask their permission first. It builds the trust and sets you as a professional. Okay, so like we spoke about, I'm going to use the Amplify range to cleanse the hair so you can really get a lot of volume through your blow dry, but I want to do the jelly mask again to really make sure we're working on the dryness of the scalp. And then we're going to finish off with the hydrate mask, but I want to put the beauty potion inside to really boost those ingredients. And then I'm going to do a nice hand massage and a hot towel while we're doing that so it's relaxing for you. And then we're going to finish off with a bouncy blow dry. How does that sound? That's my next tip. At the end of the consultation, make sure you wrap everything together and ask for confirmation from your client. It's the last chance to get confirmation before you go on with the service. And lets them know after this point, all the decisions are made, it's time for them to relax. Okay, so I've applied now the hydrate mask, and also I put inside the beauty potion, which has a superfood keratin substitute, which actually works inside and outside the hair cuticle. And you could probably tell and already smell, it's my favorite aroma. This is the mango and basilicum. This will already give you a lot more moisture, as you mentioned earlier that your hair is feeling quite dry at the moment. Okay, this is my next tip. Don't just leave them laying at the backwash, not having any idea what you're doing. Explain the steps of what you're doing, introduce the products into the sensory journey, and then remind them that you're solving the problem that they told you that they already had in the consultation. So I want to show you what I'm using today. This is actually one of my favorite products, is the Nymph Salt Spray. I love it because it's really going to hold your blow dry and make it bouncy, but also it has a heat protection in it, so that's great when we're using the blow dryer today. Next tip, talk about your products, what you're using, why, and how to use them. I'm not just talking about products. Any tips the client can benefit from. How to blow dry their hair, how to battle their cowlick. Teach them everything for home. The more you teach them, the more they trust you. Perfect, thank you so much, Sadie. And here are your products. It was great to see you, and we'll see you next time. So there you have it, my top tips in to turn your consultation into something so much more. Because it's not about just that first conversation, it's about the whole client journey. Every detail, every touch point to make an experience your clients won't forget. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos in the series. Thanks for watching Authentic Boss series, and just remember, small shifts lead to big changes. So keep shifting your business forward, and we'll see you in the next one.